On your cruise itinerary, you might see something that says water shuttle required or tendering required. What is that exactly though? In ports where the ship can't dock because it's either too large for the dock or because it's too crowded, you need to take a smaller boat from the ship to the pier. This may be done with tendering boats that are provided by the port or by the lifeboats on your ship. The ones provided by the port may be wheelchair accessible, but the lifeboats are rarely. So how exactly does the tendering process work to get you from the ship to the shore? First off, listen to announcements. This is going to be the best bet for you to be able to understand exactly what's happening on your specific journey. This varies by cruise line, this varies by ship to ship even, depending on what it needs to happen. So make sure you listen to your announcements to find out what the procedure is. If you have a shore excursion, there will also be different directions for you compared to if you are going ashore by yourself. The first step is to go get your tender ticket. This will have some sort of identifier on it that will place you in a group. So when your group is called, then you will proceed to wherever you need to meet for your tender. These might be physical tickets, or they might be just like a sticker or some sort of other thing. Listen carefully for the announcements because once your group is called, you'll be ready to go meet your tender. Then once on board, you get to enjoy a small little short journey or sometimes a bit of a longer journey to the shore. Coming back is usually a lot simpler because all you need to do is find where you are meeting your tender and then hop back on board. I hope you found this video helpful. Go check out this video right here because YouTube thinks you'll like it.